Okay, my name is Giovanni Vargas. I am studying psychologist at the UNAD University. I am 38 years old and I am work at the airport for 20 years ago. Um, and I would like to talk about this activity. So, okay, I would like to invite my tutor, to go with me to France. I think that it's a so beautiful country, um, and I would like to go with you. I am working at the airport, so I can get the tickets. So, well, a good price, okay? And I would like to see with you the most important tourist place there in Paris. It's a beautiful city, so I would like to see that. Okay, the Paris have tourist attractions that it's so beautiful there. Uh, I would like to talk about that. As the capital city of France, Paris has endured as an important city than more than 2,000 years, often called by nicknames like the City of Love and City of Lights. Paris is today one of the world's leading centers for business, fashion, entertainment, art, and culture. Just the mere mention of Paris conjures up images of the city's world's famous landmarks, museums, and cathedrals. So this is a good alternative to go and visit for our vacations to tour. Okay, one place, it's a place des Vosges. It's a good place to go there. The Moulin Rouge, it's a good place. I would like to to read something about that. The year 1889 is known as the year when France's most famous landmark, the Eiffel Tower, was constructed. Okay, this is the Moulin Rouge. The Conservatory, I think that this is the pronunciation. The Pantheon, it's a good place. The Pantheon is where famous French citizens are buried. Okay, it's a good place too. Père Lachaise Cemetery, it's a good visit. And the Disneyland Paris, okay, it is a good alternative to go there. When Europeans can get to Los Angeles to see the original Disneyland, they head to Disneyland Paris, the most visited theme park in Europe. Just like its namesake, Disneyland Paris is more than just a theme park with spectacular rides. It's a resort with hotels, shopping, and golf among its very activities. In 1992, it became the second Disney park to open outside of the United States. So this is a good alternative to go to the French or Paris. Okay, the Messi, the El Orangerie. I don't know how is the pronunciation in in French, but I think that it's travelers who appreciate impressionist and post-impressionist art, art need to check out the museum to the Orangery. Okay, Palais Garnier. Architect Charles Garnier spared no to detail when designed the Palais Garnier in 19th century. This is a good place too. Les Invalides, it's a good place. Okay, the Musée Rodin, It's so beautiful. The catacombs. Okay, in concert with the City of Lights, the Les Catacombes represents the dark side of Paris. Okay, it's a good. Champs-Élysées, you can see, it's so beautiful. Pont Alexandre III, it's a beautiful place in a city where romance reigns. What could be more romantic than the Pont Alexandre III? A bridge. It's a bridge that is made to be the most extravagant and ornate in Paris. Palace of Versailles. Palace of Versailles. Place de la Concorde. Standing Square. Okay. Okay. And you can see that the Paris have spectacular places to visit. So I would like to go with you. And finally, you can see the Eiffel Tower that represents the most important thing in France. Visiting the iconic symbol of Paris usually ranks as the #1 thing to do for most tourists. Towering more than 1,300 meters high in the Champ de Mars Park. This iron structure was constructed for the 1889 World Exposition. So I would like to go with you, and thank you for this moment. Thank you very much. My name is Giovanni Vargas, B1 course of the English. Thank you.